Hello everyone, and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura, and today I will be making the second soap in the Magical March collection. This is going to be Lavender Sage, and that purple and green will be the colors I'll be using today. This is a lye water going into the oils, and we're just going to mix this up. And as usual, this is a fragrance that's new that I am testing out, so I don't know if it's going to accelerate or not. So I'm not going to overmix this soap batter. I'm just going to get it to a very light trace. And I'm just going to divide this up into roughly equal portions. That's the purple going in, and that's the green. These colors were not pre-mixed with oil this time. I decided to see how this worked out putting them in dry. It worked out really well, so I may be doing this more in the future. I decided to whisk them in because I wasn't sure if the fragrance would accelerate. And that's the fragrance oil going in. This smells really nice. It smells like lavender and herbs. And now I'm going to stick blend this in, the fragrance and also the colors, to make sure that they're really well dispersed. And this fragrance didn't seem to accelerate too much, so that's good. And I wanted to try a different kind of swirl. I wanted to see if I could get a nice swirl by layering this, but without making precise layers. And I like how the look turned out in the end. So I'm just alternating pouring in the colors in a swirling motion. And now I'm just going to tap this to get as many air bubbles out as I can. And I'm just going to clean up the edges of the mold. I'm trying to make an effort to have a cleaner mold when the soap first goes in so that there's less to trim off later. And here I'm just going to dust this with some gold mica. It gives it a really pretty gold metallic sheen. I'm just adding a swirl so it'll have a pretty texture on top. And here it is up close. Now I'm going to slice this the next day. I'm just lining it up here. And here's the first bar. I really like how the swirl came out. It's definitely different from some of the other ones that I've done. And I really like these colors together. This is the third bar. And then I've got the small end pieces that I'm going to cut up and use for samples. If you like this soap, it'll be available on March 1st in my Etsy shop. I upload videos every Monday and Thursday, so check back later to see more videos. And thank you for watching. You have a great day.